Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create Google Forms. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to your browser, or if you're on your Android or iOS, just search for Google Forms on your App Store or Play Store. So just head over to Google Forms site. Then from here you can create a blank form. Also you can choose previously form right from here. Also here by tapping onto template gallery you will find a bunch of forms. So you can either create a blank form, also you can choose an form from previously made templates. So just tap onto the one that you prefer the most. Now you can customize them according to your need. You can customize this text according to you. You can add text if you want to change the font. You can do it right from here. You can make it bolder, italic, or you can make underline to it. You can also merge link with it. You just have to paste the link on it by tapping onto this link option. Just merge the link and then tap OK, and you will be able to add links to here. Now let's say you want to add new questions. Here you can see this plus icon, tap on it, and from there you can add your question. For example, how are you? Then you can make it a multiple choice questions or short answer. Also if you want it a paragraph answer, you can just check them out. You can answer a drop down answer, etc. You can make it checkbox answer, and you can also add it to multiple choice grid. Okay, for now I'm gonna tap on short answer. So this is how you can create questions from here. You can text this, edit this text, and many more. Okay, now let's say you want to change the theme. Then you have to tap onto this customize themes, and from there you can change your theme color, etc. You can change your background color. Also you can add images at the top here by tapping onto this site, like under the head, and then you can upload images according to your need. So that was pretty much it, and now I'm gonna show you how you can publish to your Google Forms. Then tap on to publish, and from there you can publish it. You can manage the access with it, and also you can copy the links right from here, and you can share them with anyone. So that was pretty much it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on another video.